You're welcome to my channel. This is VsmDesigns. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful pocket design and as well teach you the easiest way to achieve the center zigzag design. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. If you're a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Don't forget to come back here next week Friday for another amazing tutorial. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. I have already cut my gum into the shape that I want, and this is 5 inches. Then I am marking 2 inches from each side, leaving about 1 inch in the middle, and I will do the same on the down part. I'm going to rule it with a ruler. There will not be need for doing the same on the other side because I'm going to use this side to trace the other side of the design. I'm using a free hand sketch to draw this because I don't have any tool that can give me a nice curvy shape. So you can as well do freehand sketch, or if you have anything or French curve that can give you a nice shape like this, you can use. Then I cut it off. I'm going to use this to trace this other side so that both sides will be equal and also have the same shape. This is the upper part of the pocket. I'm going to gum this on the fabric. Take note that I'm placing it on the bias side of the material. I'm not placing it straight. Then we gum. I'm also going to place this, but I'm placing this on the straight part of the fabric. I now trim these ones from the gum. Let's trim this, but we'll give a little allowance which we are going to use to join the combination. We are also giving allowance on this one. This is the fabric I'm going to use for the combination, and I'm going to cut it as bias, which is the elastic side of the fabric. I'm doing this because the part I'm going to join this is curvy. then we are going to join it here. And I've just done that. If you check, I ran the thread on top of the gum, but without any serious allowance. I just ran the thread at the tip of the gum, so that by the time I'm turning the combination, it will give me just a little nice outlook without having difficulty turning it. I'm forming creases on this so that I will know exactly where to place the other layers from. We'll place it this way. We are cutting off the excess combination at the bottom part of the pocket. Then let's take this to the machine and run thread on it. I've just done that. The next we are going to do is the zigzag design that will be in the middle of the pocket. You are going to cut a strap. For me, I measured 1¼ inches, that is 1.25 inches. I make sure that it is straight and of equal size all through, then I cut it off. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and colleagues. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and also turn on the notification bell so that when I upload another video next week Friday, you will be the first to be notified. I'm going to heat up the fabric very well. Then once I raise my pressing iron, I am going to place hemming gum on that place so that the hemming gum will not be dancing by the time I'm folding this. This is very, very important and you have to take note of this. Then you are going to gently fold the strap. Make sure your iron doesn't match directly on the hemming gum, otherwise you will mess up your work. Now we are going to slice our hemming gum. Repeat the process of hitting the folded strap. Then you drop your sliced hemming gum on it. Remember that this is one of the differences between doing this one and the previous tutorial I made on this, and this is very easy to achieve, easier than the first video I made on this design. So you can either take this way or the other way around, whichever one. But your target should be to make here a perpendicular. Make sure it has an L shape. Then you fold. You are going to bend it this way. As you can see, because there's a slice of hemming gum on it, there's no difficulty folding it. Once you fold and iron it, it relaxes. As you fold, make sure that the space is closed. This is very easy compared to the first method I taught you. Make sure that the space is always closed. Here we have the exact length we need. For me, there's no need adding another hemming gum to hold it on the pocket. So we are now going to cut a strap, a bias strap that we are going to use to tape the pocket round. Make sure you cut it bias. If you cut this and what you cut is not elastic, then you did the wrong thing. So let's now go to the machine. You are going to raise this particular place just this way. This is to make sure that your sewing is very neat and hidden. You are going to raise it this way. That is where you are going to do your first stitching. As you stitch, make sure that you maintain the design at the center of the pocket. Then you are going to place your 2 fingers this way and push them sideways. Let me zoom in a bit for you to see it clear. The secret of running thread on this design is that you are going to raise your footer, use your 2 fingers and push the design sideways. Then it will create a little space. Once it creates a little space, you drop your footer, then you stitch, raise your footer again, use your fingers to push them sideways, a space is created, drop your footer and stitch. You keep repeating the same process until you get to the end of your design. When we get to the end, you are going to raise this last one just as we did on the first one and stitch inside it so that your thread will be hidden under. After sewing, you close here back and you can smoothen it with your iron. You can see the thread is not showing anywhere and no one will know how you did it. I'm adding a piece of fabric to the upper part of the pocket so that I'm going to use it to fold that side. Then I'm going to tape or pipe the side of the pocket. I'm using the size of the footer to measure the distance and make sure that the distance is uniform all through so that your piping or your taping will have equal size all around. Don't forget to come back here next week Friday when I will be posting another interesting video. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing videos.